Okay, hi guys. Sorry, I had to run because the bus did not show up. Yay! Okay, let's talk about design. Is it already up or wait? Yes, okay. We're gonna talk about accessibility. So accessibility, in case you guys didn't know, refers to the practice of building digital content and applications that can be used by a wide range of people. So anyone that might have visual, motor, auditory, speech, or cognitive disabilities. Sorry, I was like running, so I'm like panting. Okay, so more importantly, how can we design for accessibility? So this is just like one example of like a real world application of how people design for accessibility. Now we're gonna learn how we can maybe put this into our applications. So here's a quick thought experiment for you guys. Just for the time being, imagine the power goes out. You don't have your phone or any form of light in your house. So what things would be the hardest to use without light? Just go ahead and think about that for a second. If you want to share out, you can, but no pressure. Okay. So now we're gonna think about this. Imagine instead that there's a divider, so like a div class in your program. And oh wait, no, in real life, that goes between you and your phone or computer. What thing would be the hardest to do on your computer? Okay, so basically the point of this exercise was for you guys to be able to kind of like imagine what it would be like for somebody who maybe can't see as well or can't differentiate between colors as well. Like for me, example, like I'm colorblind, which is weird because like sometimes I can't see colors super well. And basically you're just supposed to like imagine what it would be like if it wasn't super easy for you to like read a website. So yeah, we just wanted you to step out of your own experience and kind of consider like what other people have to go through when they are like viewing a website or an app or something like that. So basically today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to like accommodate for these types of things. So we want to be able to make our websites readable by everyone. So, okay, one example is obviously from Among Us. I don't know who put this picture in here, but thank you. If you have like high contrast or like big blaring colors, it's a lot easier, obviously, to see what's happening than if all of these wires were like one shade or like multiple shades of the same color. Maybe it would be confusing for somebody who can't differentiate between them. So one solution that you can apply is make your colors super vibrant or like super like, wait, yeah, huh? Oh, and symbols. Wait, that's a good point. I didn't see that. Yeah, or use symbols to be able to tell like where things are supposed to go. So yeah, another thing that can help with this is giving inputs associated labels. So you can put like above each box, like this is where your name's supposed to go. This is where this is supposed to go. So maybe if they can't see the boxes as well, this is like a lot easier for people to see. You can also implement like missing asterisks to show like what important parts might be missing. So that way it draws people's attention to areas that are unfinished. Okay, so this is like another example of how we can do this with colors, like big clear text and obvious dividers. And as you can see, like this box is like outlined in red to show like, oh, looks great, like you did this correctly. So that just like tells people like, oh, you did this properly. Okay, you can also implement what's called alt text. So like, let's say you import an image this way. If you type alt and then in equals, you can put whatever kind of text you want to sort of explain what this means. So if someone hovers over the image, they're gonna see this text, and that can help someone that maybe can't see as well to like read the description and understand what's going on. So that's a really useful tool for that. So yeah, users with physical disability rely heavily on keyboard, so like arrows and tabs, And these specific tags that I'm going to talk about will help with that. But